Hello, and thank you for giving Fred Martin Nissan the opportunity to earn your business. You recently expressed interest in the Nissan Altima here with us, and I wanted to shoot you a quick video of one we have in stock so you can see it for yourself. Nissan Altima is available in 5 trim levels: the S, the SR, SV, SL, and Platinum. Available in a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder or 2.0 turbo. Also has available all-wheel drive. You can reach us at 330-644-8888. We do have holiday, weekend, and late hours during the weekdays to accommodate and for your convenience. You can reach us again at 330-644-8888 and ask for Ashley. She can set up a good time for your test drive, and we'll be looking forward to seeing you here at the store. We're looking forward to helping you make an informed car buying decision here at Fred Martin Nissan. Take care.